Hello, I'm Fred Haines from Harper Haines Fluid Control, and we're very happy to be a sponsor for the 25th Annual AtCave Conference. My team and I spend our days thinking about different ways that we can help you with your control valve applications, be it CLA-VAL control valves for pressure or unique electronic applications, crisp and air valves, energy-saving check valves, dual disc gate valves, or even HYDRA-STOP insert valves to help you by putting them into a water main under pressure to prevent you from shutting your entire system down, or at least large portions of it. Our valve service division includes fully stocked vans, trained service technicians, factory authorized CLA-VAL technicians, and we can arrange to help you with your CLA-VAL service or any other control valve you might have. Finally, we have engineered systems that we design and help build, be it entire pumping systems, UV treatment plants, water treatment plants with chemical feed applications, or transient systems where we use surge tanks, transient analysis, and specialty valves to help eliminate your pressure surges in your system. Please call us if any of these ideas are interesting to you. You have a problem that you don't think you can solve. We spend our days looking for different ways to help you solve unique problems directly related to controlling water. Thank you for your time.